I've been a member of Planet Fitness for years, and somehow I've never tried this HydroMassage. But today, I'm finally going to give it a try. I'm going to go to Planet Fitness, sign up for it, and I had no idea what I'm getting myself into. And make sure to stay until the end where I rank this machine. The number I give you may surprise you. I can't forget my camera. So I choose a HydroMassage?
Yes.
Okay. And then so what's the difference between the bed and there's like multiple lounges and then?
So the bed is like basically like, and pretty much a bed. And then the lounge is like active like a chair, but it's a little more reclined a little.
Interesting. Okay. I'll do the bed.
Okay.
Then. And what time is it?
You could just do whatever's supposed to.
Oh, okay. I'm going to do 11. And then I book my appointment and I start talking with the staff, but there was one problem though. The HydroMassage has a timer before it starts. I walk into the room and I realize I'm late. I'm late to the thing. I need to see. Okay. This was the screen I was given and I had no idea what was going on because I was trying to be an adult and I told the staff that no, they didn't need to help me. But I had no idea what to do because it already started. I went to the staff and I told them what happened. Thankfully, they let me have another try.
Apparently, you're just supposed to wait here and it's supposed to start automatically.
Now that I know what I'm doing, you lay down and you press the start button and it gives you a bunch of options that you're able to choose from on how you want your massage. You're able to choose things like the pressure, the speed, and the water automatically just goes up and down the full body, but you can actually hold that hand and dictate where the pressure goes onto your body. The lowermost button, you can kind of make your own program for your massage. I chose lower back and I put the pressure and speed all the way up just to see what it was like. And not only can you choose just the lower back, you can choose the upper, the middle, you can choose the back of your legs, you can choose your traps, and you can choose your neck. There's 2 sliders on the body map which tell the water pressure where it should focus on. As you can see right now, it's only focusing on my hamstrings. But you can always move the sliders up or down to change where the water pressure goes. The topmost button, you can choose either beach or travel. You can look at different cities in the world, and you can also have this serene picture of a beach. However, with the sound of the HydroMassage hitting you, it's kind of hard to be a little relaxed. It also has mini games you can play. Honestly, if I worked here, I would be on this massage bed all day. Just finished it. It was 10 minutes long. I want to see though if I can, this was the bed. I want to see if I can't use the lounge HydroMassage chair. Excuse me. Am I able to use the HydroMassage chair too? Yeah? What's that?
You can do anything you want.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's awesome. I can just keep going back and forth. Right off the bat, the only difference I see with the HydroMassage lounge is it's more like a seat compared to just laying completely flat. This would be really comfortable for people who want to watch TV instead of just laying flat and playing with the screen. The screen's exactly the same. There's really no difference. This machine, I decided to focus more on my upper back and traps compared to my lower back. One more thing I forgot to mention is that you can read books on the HydroMassage as well. Things like Dracula. I thought to myself, why don't I just go ahead and do all 3? There's 2 HydroMassages, but there's also the regular massage chair. So that's exactly what I signed up for. I want to do the massage chair now. Let's see how that goes. Walking into the massage chair room, it definitely felt more serene compared to the HydroMassage because for one, there was nobody else in there, and 2, the massage chairs don't make any noise compared to the other one. It's like I'm in a movie theater. There's no music or anything. Look at this. There's like coin slots here. This one just feels more normal, like one of the ones you get at the mall or something. It wasn't as high tech as the HydroMassage, but I felt like I got a better experience with the chair compared to the bed or the lounge. I feel like the water didn't hit as hard as the mechanisms that are in the chair. Also with the chair, you can choose between 5, 10, 15, and 20 minutes. I chose the 5 minutes because I had been in the gym for 2 hours and I was kind of ready to go home by that point. After doing all 3 chairs, I definitely felt looser and a lot more limber compared to when I first walked into the gym. What a crazy way to end the day. I didn't know that there were 2 different types of HydroMassages. And since I decided to try both of them as well as the chair massage, let's just go ahead and rank them. I would rank the HydroMassage bed a 7 out of 10 because you get to choose where you want the massage. You get to focus on a certain area. It also has all these extra features. You can read a book. And the cool thing about all of these is that you can use them as many times as you want. With the HydroMassage Lounge, I would rank that an 8 out of 10. The reason why is because I feel like you get all the benefits, but you don't have to lay all the way down. And there's also a big TV in front that you can watch TV. The massage chair, honestly, I'm going to have to rank that a 10 out of 10 because it feels like you get a better massage when you have something hard just digging into your back compared to the water. The water pressure was really nice, but it wasn't the same as it is with a regular massage chair. You also had better options with that. You could choose up to 20 minutes compared to the other hydro massages, but it was also a lot more quiet in there. It felt a lot more relaxing. But tell me what you guys' thoughts are. Do you agree with my rankings? Do you disagree? And make sure to like as well as subscribe and let me know in the comments what your thoughts are.